Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, Wagwan, me name Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news in the Jamaican language. First, me give the headline them. Musician, producer, radio broadcaster and Fame FM DJ Arif Cooper dead. Him dead early yesterday morning. The government and the police are going to clash after the police federation said them not take the government wage offer. The councillor them from the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation are look out against the government decision for carrying ganja from Canada coming at the country. Now for the full tour of them. Musician, producer, radio broadcaster and Fame FM DJ Arif Cooper dead. Him dead early yesterday morning. Mr. Cooper did a play one party at the police officer club when him dropped down. Them rushed him go hospital where doctor said him dead. Cooper did join Fame FM in 1998 and him keep the work until him dead. The government and the police are going to clash after the police federation said them not take the government wage offer. The federation give the finance ministry one deadline after them say them not take the money what the government want give them. But the ministry said them can't give the police that the money there. As according to Corporal James, or the chairman for the police federation, the finance minister had dissed the police them and him prefer for left the work as chairman before him sign the government wage offer there. The councillor them from the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation are look out against the government decision for carrying ganja from Canada coming at the country. As according to the corporation, this is going to mash up the local ganja industry. As according to Norman Scott, who the mayor for Spanish Town, the government will make the small farmer them grow them ganja and then them use it for research. The Portland police are look for some people who burned down one shop in a Ferry Hill yesterday. As according to the police report, around 4:15 in the morning, people see fire are come from one shop close to the old post office and call the fire department. When the fireman them cool down the shop, them sister Smarty set it for burn down pan spite. The damage cost more than $1 million. The Alpha-Tree police are look for one prisoner who get her from the Alpha-Tree police station lock up Friday afternoon. As according to the police report, the prisoner upon trial for thief from people. Them claims that him climbing at the roof of the lockup, then jump on one school roof where they nearby and get away. The police not put out him name yet. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news in the Jamaican language.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.